Welcome to this course on HTML. By the end of this course, you will learn what is HTML, features of HTML, formatting tags, HTML link and lists, images and tables, frame set and iframes, form designing and audio and video. We need Notepad or Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ to run the HTML code. HTML coding can be done in any editors or IDE, integrated development environment, like Notepad, NetBeans, Eclipse or any other editor. It supports all the browsers with any operating system, that can be Unix, Windows, macOS or any existing web browser that is, i.e., Firefox, Chrome or Opera etc., compatible for the Internet. Before we start, let's understand what is www. World Wide Web is abbreviated as www. www is the place where the document on Internet is preserved and executed on call. As we find different websites are connected with www. Trillions of population connected with Internet, for official, educational and different type of requirements. We will understand the format of page is going to be connected. We can design our own page for our document with HTML, which is very interesting and inspiring. Moving on to what is HTML? HTML is web-based document used to present your content over Internet. Web page which we design will be formatted with some special effects. These effects are based on the instructions we pass to server with the help of page. HTML page need not require to be case specific. HTML page design can be executed on any browser and platform. We use command for HTML to execute web page called tag. We have completed this topic and you may now continue to the next topic, HTML tags.